Hi fam, welcome to another episode of Dapper. I got a chance to watch the Nigerian series Far From Home, and there was that scene where Isha Bello was in class for the first time and he couldn't tie his necktie. And I was telling myself, no, there's no way someone his age is not able to tie a necktie, right? But as I would find out, that is very real and true because I conducted a social experiment at church where I asked some guys to tie the necktie, and some people were struggling to tie the necktie. In the previous video, we learned about the parts of the necktie, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to tie the necktie. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. This is Dapper Up. Yo folks, welcome back. So pick your necktie, and let's learn how to tie the full Windsor and the half Windsor. Yo, fam, so those were our two Windsor ties, the half and then the full. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you like this video and you would like us to create more of such videos, just hit the like button. I hope by now all of us can tie the necktie just by watching this video. And if you have a friend who still doesn't know how to tie the necktie, then share this video with a person to be able to learn how to tie the necktie. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button below and make sure to turn on your notification such that whenever we drop a new video, you'd be amongst the very first people to know. It's been Dapper Up, y'all. See you in the next video.